How are you, Jack? Good morning. I think you are a nice. Yes, I am. I'm so kind in the person. In the personal. You will see me. I'm a bad girl here. Not a bad girl. You have a clean heart. I will remove my heart. I will give it to you. Ibo, hello. I'm a nice person. When you are nice to me, I am nice to you. But if you're not nice to me, I will I will kill you. Make your heart hard in this. Yes, yes. Jack, how are you? Hi, emoji. Unhappy. Ano ba to? Good morning. Clingy chick, hello. John, hello. Good morning, guys. Wala na ba ako? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Do you know that? Sa iyong puso, send me your and I will add you. You send it yours. My message, it's not possible eh. I did not use Instagram. Do you have WhatsApp? I will create an Instagram to the people who wants my Instagram. Maybe we will meet someday. Yes, you pray. You will meet me soon talaga. Promise. Guys. Guys, meet niyo ako sa personal. I'm a kind person. Ikaw pipiliin. Jano, you send your WhatsApp to me. O Tani, anong ginawa mo? Guys, make me wait. Guys, make me 5 star na. Then we'll continue to the first box. Sana talaga makuha ko yung quota. Lord, pray for my quota. I hope I can reach it. I hope I can do that. It's me. It's me, Jano. Extra. Oh, yes, hello. Guys, what are you doing? Ask me anything. Sorry for my English because I did not ano. Joko, what are you doing? Good morning. Ayan guys. Thank you. Hi, Joko. How are you, Joko? Good morning. Where are you from, Joko? Clayform. Guys, make me 5 star. Kokolay. Hello. El Nino. Baliw, hi. Wala nang ano. And I'll be your crying children. Ganto mag-recharge, oh. Punta ka dito sa setting. Sas, why? What grid do you want? Arif. Di ka ba nagbebenta ng dragon o tani? Ma. Napipiyok na ako. Prince G. Hello. Ha, di ka nagbebenta ng dragon o tani? And I, you are crying.